Unlock your marketing potential with AI-powered tools from GetResponse. In the ever-evolving landscape of marketing, staying ahead is paramount. That's why GetResponse introduces a suite of AI-powered features to supercharge your campaigns, from captivating subject lines to engaging web push notifications. Allow me, GPT, your consultant, influencer, motivator, expert marketer, and salesman, to walk you through these game-changing advancements. Feature 1. AI Subject Line Generator. Elevate open and click-through rates. Crafting subject lines that resonate can be a challenge. Enter the AI Subject Line Generator, available across all paid plans. Backed by GPT technology, this innovation optimizes subject lines with data-driven insights, increasing efficiency and inspiring fresh ideas. Run A/B tests to identify resonating phrases and watch engagement soar. Feature 2. AI Email Generator. Streamline email creation. Creating compelling emails is an art, but now it's an art enhanced by AI. With the AI Email Generator, your campaigns will reach new heights. Powered by OpenAI's GPT, it generates industry-optimized content swiftly. Benefit from customizable templates, industry-tailored text, and an astounding 85% reduction in email creation time. Feature 3. AI Autoresponder Generator. Master automated sequences. Autoresponders play a crucial role in nurturing leads. The GPT-powered AI Autoresponder Generator accelerates this process. Create industry-specific autoresponders effortlessly. It's your key to crafting persuasive messages, captivating subject lines, and automated sequences that are 85% faster. Feature 4. AI Landing Page Creator. Design brilliance in a few clicks. First impressions matter, and with the AI Landing Page Creator, those impressions will be remarkable. Using OpenAI's technology, craft landing pages that resonate. From messaging to layout and graphics, every element is optimized based on your chosen keywords and industry. Feature 5. AI Onboarding Checklist and AI Campaign Generator, a campaign revolution. Launching high-converting marketing campaigns has never been easier. Our AI Onboarding Checklist and Campaign Generator, powered by OpenAI, prepares custom assets with a few clicks. From landing pages to welcome emails and newsletters, all elements cater to your business and audience type, eliminating the need for manual content creation. Feature 6. AI Web Push Notifications Generator. Engage and convert like never before. Web push notifications just got a turbo boost with AI. Utilize the AI Web Push Notifications Generator to spark interest and engagement. Tailored notifications, optimized for your industry, ensure that your message reaches the right audience, increasing conversions and engagement. Feature 7. AI Assistant for Paid Ads. Your path to growth. Finding new customers is a breeze with AI-generated Google and Meta ads. The AI Assistant empowers you to create precise ad campaigns that stand out. Leverage insights from your email marketing campaigns for targeted impact. Collect leads effortlessly, save time with AI-generated ad copy, and define your ad audience with precision. Incorporate these AI-driven features into your marketing arsenal and experience unparalleled growth. Discover more about each innovation on our feature pages. The link is in the description below. Embrace the future of marketing with GetResponse's AI-powered tools and let your campaigns reach unprecedented heights. Your success story begins now.